Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Octopath Traveler O game not launching or not opening or won't launch issue on PC. So let's go through it. So the very first method you have to follow is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are updated. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Now after graphics drivers are updated, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here, you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If not, if you still face the same issue, come back, remove the launch option and then move to the next solution. Next is to run the game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Simply double click on it and check if it's launching or not. If not, run the program as admin. So for that, right click on the game application, click on properties. Now click on compatibility. Now select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, deselect all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. Here you have to search for the game if it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, simply click on allow another app, then go to the browse section. Now here you have to select your game where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, search for the game and after you search the game, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU, it can make it unstable and so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of such in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, now click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and from here you have to now deselect or disable this option, enable the Steam overlay while in-game option if it is enabled. Now after disabling this, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. If not, next method is to check graphic settings. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Now next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. This will download the file. Now after the link is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get an option of repair or install. So simply click on repair option and then wait for some time unless you get a setup successful message. Once done, click on the close option. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check whether you can play it or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates option. Now you will be taken to Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Open it. This will open system configuration page. Here I have to click on services. Now click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. Once done, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager, and from here you have to select your application and then click on disable it. After it is done, go back, click on OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, Steam apps. Now here is your game folder. Select the application, add it to the list. Now after you add the game to the list, go below, click on the arrow icon. Now under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Octopath Traveler 0 game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. Once done, restart your PC once and then relaunch Steam and reinstall Octopath Traveler O game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.